So today we'll see, ठीक है, कैसे quantity निकालना है, right? I'll just share my screen. One sample project already I have opened. Okay, so how to find out the schedule and quantities? You can go to Analyze tab. Here you can see schedule and quantities. Okay, this is one way.
Yes.
If you click this, you will find the schedule part. Similarly, in the view, inside view, okay, if you go here also, you can find schedule and quantity, same thing. Both options are same. You can choose any of the things, right? One basic example I'll give. Okay, then we'll go to specific particular this firefighting, how to find the schedule, right? And we can use it. Yeah. So I'll go to Analyze tab, schedule and quantities. For example, if you want to create anything related to mechanical equipment, okay, click mechanical equipment. Okay, what all the fields you want to choose? Okay, just for example, I want to create some classification and cost, family, system name. Randomly I'm just choosing what is my requirement. Okay, any type, any manufacturer. So all these things you can organize accordingly. Okay, and if you want to, for example, if you want to this one, if you want to in case go to second place or third place, I can move it. Okay, up, down, like this. And if you want to add anything, click that and use the add symbol. If you want to remove, for example, okay, last one, for example, if I'll remove, I can remove like this. Again, if I want to add, I can add like this. Okay, this is in the field part. And here you can see equipment. Similarly, you can go to the filter. You can use anything. Okay, all the things, what all. So this is the basic things what we have to do. For example, I want to do only for the piping. Okay, so for piping, if I do tag TG, I'm getting here only the pipe size. Okay, we will create certain parameters. Okay, so that we can find out for piping what is the pipe length of this particular floor. So in that, what do we have to do? You have to go the fire protection. Inside fire protection, right click, try properties. In the abbreviation, where in the abbreviation part, you can write, for example, these all are firefighting pipe, so we can mention FF. Okay, so firefighting FF, it will differentiate with from others. Apply. Okay, so now something, if you see, it is updated here itself.
Yes, sir.
If you want to edit that, click that, edit family. Okay, abbreviation, edit abbreviation. I just want to give a break. Excuse me. Okay, right, then load into project. I just want firefighting to be written down. So similarly, if I tag all, I can get all the information, right? Tag all, and I'll go for pipes. So all the pipe tagging is done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now our second thing is we need to go to analyze here, and here we have to use pipe. Pipe schedule. These all things, keep it as it is. Okay, then click OK. Then it will come here, piping, right? So certain things we need to add it. First, family and type.
Yes.
Family and type. I'm adding system abbreviation and dia length. Dia length abbreviation which we created. System abbreviation. Yeah. This you can. So this is done. In field type it is done. Next, in the filter. In the filter, what we have to do? We have created system abbreviation, right? System abbreviation equal to FF. Already it is came. Correct? So
Yes.
now go to sorting. Okay, in sorting, what all the things will be there? First, dia wise. Okay, so dia we want ascending order, right? This is the thing. Same thing you can refer in the notes also. Might be you can find out. Same thing. What all I told. Same thing it is mentioned here. You can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so same thing it is mentioned here. You can see. So once this is sorting and grouping is done, then go to the formatting. Okay, so in formatting, here we will create the length type. Okay, and here horizontal, left, everything left as it is. Here no calculation. Just I'll explain you. Okay, I'll not change anything. Let it be like that, no calculation. And I'll go for appearance. Appearance will do will not do anything. Okay, I'll just click it.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and afterwards I'll come and change this. 1 minute. Here we need to change for the length. Okay, remember this length. Okay, these whole thing intentionally certain things I have not tick. This one it is tick. Okay, I don't want to untick this. Intentionally I have done. I'll show you what is the difference. If I click OK, so what will happen? So same dia pipe we can see it is repeating, right? Length is repeating.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want 25 mm. How I want? I want 25 mm, for example. Total length is how much? Correct. 65 mm total length how much? Correct. This is my requirement. For example, 25 mm pipe dia I'm getting 100 meter. 65 mm pipe dia I'm getting 40 meter. This is my requirement. Okay,
Yes.
so like this I need to find out.
Yes, sir.
So in that case what we have to do? We have to go to again formatting, edit. So here in the formatting under length you can change for calculate total, and here every instant. Why it is coming all 25 dia separate? Because we have given every instant. We don't want that. Untick this now. Okay, now here you see everything we got it. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So all the dia separate dia, 25 mm, 40 mm, 50 mm, 65 mm, 100 mm, 150 mm. So this is one schedule.
Yes, sir.
So this schedule you can put in the
Yes, sir.
sheet. If you want to create, it is created. So now you want to put in the one sheet. So this is the pipe schedule. It is created. Now one sheet. If you want to create, right click, sheet. I will create A1 for the time being. Okay, I can drag and drop. So this is the thing we created. Yeah. So this is the sizes and all we have derived. Clear? Any doubt
Sir,
in this?
please repeat the last. Sir, please repeat the last process, sir. How to create the sheet, sir?
Sheet, just right click. I'll tell in detail in other session. Just today's session is just I'm
Okay,
dragging, creating the schedule. Go to new sheet. Okay. If you have any specific title block, you can load that. Okay, you can use that
Okay.
family or anything, or directly click here A1 type. Okay, so it will be created. Now after that, what all the things you want to add it here in the sheet, you can drag and drop. So from the pipe schedule,
Okay.
click this, drop it. Okay, similarly, if
Okay,
I
sir.
want to
Okay.
just copy the floor plan, I'll just copy the floor plan. This is
Yes.
the floor plan. I want to drag and drop. I think is already it is an other sheet. For that reason, it is not taking. Let me share this one.
Okay.
Okay. Second floor, level 2, I have copied because level 1 already it is in one sheet. For that reason, it is not taking.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, any call out and all, if you have done this also, it will not come because already it is copied in other sheet. So I'll just show you.
Yes.
This is the sheet where
Yes.
you can see one plan. You can give one typical details and all the schedule and quantities, what all is there, you can create and put it. Simple. Any doubt in this?
This sheet can be converted to PDF, sir?
Yes, simple. PDF conversion is easy here now. Okay, you just once it is done, just go for PDF. Export, it will convert into PDF.
Okay.
And even you can convert into export into CAD, and there if you want to do any modification, you can modify and then you can use for the this thing. Yeah, all the option is available. Okay. This is one small example which I have given for schedule and quantities. Similarly, all other flows and all you can create. Okay, we can discuss in detail about
Okay,
that
sir.
in the upcoming session.
Oh.
Here go for the export.
Sir, please share this Revit file, sir, so that we can practice.
Okay, this also I'll show. Location and all, if you want to change, you can change the location. Give some name. Already exist. So yes. So inside document it is. Let me show you. Inside document. This is the location. Let me see then. Users document.
It is there in the document, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing the path. This one. Okay, clear. So how we have done for the PDF, similarly it will all the legend and all you can rename, change all these things. Okay, here on the title block, everything, project details, everything you can change it.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Right. So next is what we are discussing. So anything to discuss?